Hello guys from my studio Iacopelli. Welcome to Las Vegas Convention Center. Like you can see behind me, today is going to be the most busy day of my year because the biggest pizza show in the world of pizza industry. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best pizza, how to do it, how I handle everything, and the most important part, like the title say, or you saw in the thumbnail, we are going to show you how we collaborate with all the best pizza chefs in the world, and going to have. Okay, take a look. What are you doing? Come on. I hope you guys are gonna have fun. Stop, please stop. So stay tuned because this is gonna be insane. Watch until the end. Support this channel. Come on, guys, and subscribe. Enjoy Las Vegas! And here we go, guys. Welcome to the Pizza Expo 2026. Let's go ahead. Let's meet so many celebrities, so many influencers. So I'm gonna show you the whole booth what we got this year. It's insane. Voila, everything nice and clean. And look how big it is. Voila, take a look. And that's actually my pizza over there. We got the dragon on top. Well, guys, enjoy day first of Pizza Expo. And okay, guys, I'm going to show you how we make the dough for the Pizza Expo. So instead of using pulish, we're gonna use leftover dough, which is overproof. So we start by putting the leftover dough, so as much that you want to. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna use 3 liters. Put 2 liters, and then we go ahead and we let it melt at speed 1. We put 2 liters of water. We're gonna put 3 liters total. Scale 35 times 3. So we put 35 grams every liter of water. So that's about 105. Let's go ahead. Let's put 105 here. It's okay. Then look at this. Then we put half a liter. Then we put another liter. We put leftover dough. We put the water. Show inside. It's blue, guys. The dough is blue because I put. So basically, we cook the cabbage in the hot water and then becomes purple. So the hot water, and then you put a scoop of baking soda inside, and that's how we got the blue. We're gonna add the flour. So we're gonna put 1,450 grams of flour each liter. So now we're gonna wait about we're gonna wait that everything gets together, and then we're gonna go ahead and add the water little by little for about, this whole process is gonna take about 15 minutes. The dough, like you can see, is almost ready. So the final step here right now is to put a little bit of olive oil. So I usually put 20 grams every liter of water. So I'm gonna put I put 3 to 4, 6, so 60 grams of olive oil. Boom. Let's check it out. It's perfectly ready. In the meantime here, I'm making also some balls. This is a different situation. I'm gonna make actually 3 feet long pizza. So this is how we do it. And 2. So I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil. Now we're gonna wait that they double up the size. So usually take about 2 hours, I wanna say. Here we go, guys, the dough, nice and strong. We put a little bit of olive oil on top. Here we go. And now I'm gonna use this one back in the mixer, and then this one I'm gonna make it black. We're gonna put a black ink from the squid. Sorry, it's not black ink from the squid. It's black flour charcoal. I'll see you when we finish. So now we're gonna go ahead and make the balls. Okay, guys, 10 minutes away. This is to make the big pizza. I wanna show you the dough. Blue. We got regular, voila, the black one. This is how supporter should do. Look at this. Guys, the show is about to be open. I think it's 10:02, it's ready. And I wanna show you why I have the booth. Why? But first, I'm promoting my YouTube channel. Second one, I'm promoting my masterclass. which is a professional course made how to make the best pizza for home business, but also I'm launching a pizza oven for home electricity with electric. And then also take a look, we got 3 colors of mixers, and we are going to be sell this soon. And let's make some pizza for the people, and then let's wait for some celebrities to come. And guys, we are making the pizza. We're a special guest here in the booth. This is for YouTube. So,
we are here to try the pizza
and we have to show if it's approved or not.
Esatto.
All right. It's ready.
Perfetto.
Sì. 3 foglie, top class. Soft and crunchy.
Approved. 1, 2, 3.
Approved.
Vai.
Okay guys, now it's time to go ahead, teach this guy, Pizza Fart on Instagram, how to make the pizza, but dove cazzo sta? Sorry, vai. The pizza, the big one, is like 3 feet. 3 feet pizza. Okay, so what we do now, look at this. We put it in the flour, we put a lot of flour on the top, just press. Before from the outside, more, press. Don't stretch, press. Yeah. More. Okay, look at this. We're gonna press, we're gonna try to make it long. Grab it from there. Grab it, no. Pull it, we're gonna make, pull it. We put it on top of the peel. Now, tomato sauce. 1, it's like 4 pizzas, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're gonna go ahead and cook this pizza in a different oven. Okay, so now we go and we try to put this in this beast here. So what we do, we try to leave it there and try to, I'm gonna wait. Perfectly cooked. There's not a lot of space, so we wait. Look at this. I'm putting this one here, and let's see, everything automatically. It's working. Dragon, make it smoke. Vai. So he's approving. Oh, come here. Here we go. So we gently. Voila, we got 3 feet of almost pizza. Perfect. Now let's cover this with pepperoni. Pepperoni. Vai. We're gonna fix it like American style, no? So we're gonna put some anduja, which is Italian chorizo. So we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil. To finish, let's put some oregano. So it's time to go bake it again. Look how easy it will cook. Pizza is nice and crispy, like your pizzas. This needs to be soft and crunchy, otherwise it's not approved. Voila. Boom, boom, boom. It's not over yet. Okay, now we finish this with hot honey. Top class. Wow, take a look of this pizza. It's soft and it's crunchy, it's crispy. Let's check out the bottom. Ooh, perfectly cooked. If you guys want to taste, go for it. We're gonna taste it too. And taste this pizza for you.
Okay, taste it for me.
It's nice, soft and crunchy at the same time. It's vegan, by the way. No. Pescatarian.
Pescatarian, yeah.
It's pescatarian. I have the pleasure to have Giulia in the booth.
Hello, ciao a tutti, come stai? Tutto bene?
Tutto a posto, niente in ordine. Are you ready to make a real pizza?
I'm ready.
So let's shot this reel.
Okay.
Enjoy this behind the scenes too with Giulia.
Let's make a pizza.
Wait. Let's make a big pizza.
No. Oh,
Okay, we do it.
18 inch my biggest.
But not a circle. We need to make a long.
Never like this.
Okay. So now we put it in the flour and then we just go press. Finger inside. Be careful of those nails. Press more. Perfect. A little bit more. A little
More.
bit more.
Okay.
Grab it from there.
Okay.
Now grab it and pull it. Pull it. Pull it. Easy. So now look at this. Now we grab it.
Woo.
Fix it.
And what ingredient should we put?
Ready to go. Okay. We're gonna taste Korean.
We're doing it all together.
Let's do it. Why not?
Salt on.
The hell of a fusion is this?
We love it.
Now let's cook it. Here we go. A dragon pizza oven. You ready? Right.
Okay, here we go.
Gentle, gentle. Pull it back, back, back. Pull it back. No, not yet. Okay, the pizza halfway done. Giulia, go ahead with the cheese.
Okay, here we go, huh? Mozzarella. Three ingredients.
Now it's soft and crunchy.
Amazing.
Top
okay?
class.
First,
Thank you so much. Hey, I'm looking at the here. What's going on with the?
She hates doing
We put the Italian touch. You know, my grandfather used to do. We were sick, or we were eating the head and breaking the head, breaking the knees. Olive oil. Olive oil. You sick? Drink olive oil. Now again, pecorino. Pecorino. And guys, whew, that was crazy. So many people we met. We got still here one celebrity Italian, Nick Radogna. He's an Italian YouTuber. Day one, it's over. I'll see you tomorrow with day two. Announce your Instagram page. Person. Hold on.
All this time I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to you.